After launching the Nothing Phone 2A and a special edition model in India, Nothing has announced a Plus variant of the smartphone. Nothing Phone 2A Plus is all set to make its debut on July 31st. The Nothing Phone 2A Plus will feature a similar design as the standard phone 2A, but will be bigger in size. It will be powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7350 chipset. This will be paired with 12GB RAM and 8GB virtual RAM support. The SoC is paired with Mali G610 MC4 GPU, and Nothing claims a 10% performance boost with the Phone 2A Plus over the Phone 2A with this configuration. Phone 2A Plus come with horizontal dual camera setup, a 50MP plus 50MP back camera, and a 32MP front camera. The Nothing Phone 2A Plus is backed by a 5000 mAh battery that supports 45W wired charging. The device could retail around the 30,000 rupees price range in India. However, we expect to learn more about the device in the coming days. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.